Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you an easier way of cutting a hole in drywall. And this is one way. It's not the only way. This is the way I do it because I bought the tool. Otherwise I would use like a cheap $6 or $7 knife and I would cut a hole in there, pull it out and be done with it. But I wanted to show you something because I enjoy using it quite a bit, and it saves me not only time but a lot of the dust too. So first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make my marks. Now when you're doing demo, I don't usually make marks. I use a hammer and I tear out what I need to, and then this is a different kind of hole. I'm going to replace it with drywall, so I'm going to be the one finishing it. So I'm going to cut it out square so that when I go to put the drywall back, it will fit where I want it to go. And what I'm going to do is with this tool, I'm actually going to split the stud so that on the drywall I could put screws on either side so I can tie that drywall piece together. So when I do my finish. Now, there's another thing too, is I don't really have to be doing this. I'm cutting this hole so I can put a new shower valve in. Really what I could do is I can use a heat shield, and I could really just still solder it in place, but because that shower valve has multiple heads and I have to do a lot of soldering I'm splitting a stud as well, it's just going to be easier for me to do it this way. And I have a bunch of drywall repair I got to do anyway. So I thought, just cut this out. Save me some time later on. Now, the tool is this Makita, and I don't have the number. I'll get it for you. I think you even have it at Home Depot. I got to tell you, it's worth every penny for me. Let me put this, I'm going to attach it to my vacuum. Most of the time I just use it straight and let the dust fall where it may, but since I have it and I took the vacuum out, I'm going to use it. Now the vacuum doesn't hook directly up to it because it's a different hose size. So to account for that, I use tape. I don't really need to go out and buy all those fittings. I guess because I'm on video, I should use precaution. You should always use these. I don't always do that. So I'm just gonna, it's a way different size hose, but a little tape magic. That doesn't have to be pretty. That is just awesome. Turn on the vacuum. That is off. Oh, that's my bad. I put a new blade on there and I didn't set the depth correct. So, see, I ended up using a razor blade anyway. All right. Well, that's it. I mean, if I wanted to, I could reuse that piece and put it back in there and mud that back in, which I'm going to put it off to the side. I might end up doing that. I'll get the camera and show you how I split the studs. So as you can see here, I was able to split the stud very easily. So when I put the new piece of drywall in, I have backing, and there you have it, a hole.